Hello guys, my name is Sohail and you are watching my channel The Refrigeration in YouTube. In today's video, I want to tell you about demo of all button, all function of Lloyd Split AC remote control. So friends, let's start the video. But before that, I want to tell you that if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that the notification of my latest video reaches you first. If you have any problem with your fridge, AC, washing machine, or you want to talk to me on that topic or need any solution, then you can comment me in the comment box. And if you use Instagram, Raza Refrigeration 777 is my Instagram ID. Then you can talk to me by following me. I will be happy to help you. This is the pink color button which turns the AC on and off. The next button is for temperature up and down. It has a 2 button for temperature, with the help of which we can move the temperature up and down. Right now the temperature is showing 24-degree temperature in the remote. As we press the button of temperature will increase 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 and 31. Right now the temperature is showing 24-degree temperature in the remote. As we press the down button, and as soon as you go below 24-degree temperature, and the temperature of your room will decrease and the cooling of AC will start increasing. And you do not feel too cold and you get enough coolness, then you use AC 26-degree temperature. And if feel cold in 26-degree temperature, then you use your AC in 27-degree temperature. The next button is vertical. It is used to move the front swing flap of the AC up and down. It works in two ways, first manual, second swing. As you can see in remote, you can use vertical very easy. And you keep pressing the vertical button continuously, then the vertical will turn on auto and there will be a swing so in the remote. The next button is horizontal. Horizontal swing AC work from the inside. It also work like vertical swing. The difference is that it work from right to left. Now the most important button is the operation mode button. Operation mode button works in 5 ways. First cool mode, and second dry mode, third fan mode, and fourth heat mode, and fifth auto mode. In cool mode, you can use all button of the remote. In mode your will work according to you and your AC will be cooling as you went. Second mode, dry mode. Dry mode in use in the rainy season. During the rainy season, that the weather around us is very humid and sweat a lot. Use dry mode to beat the humidity. Third mode is fan mode. Fan mode is used for fan. Is that not AC cooling, only fan run. For example, if you do not have a fan in your room and you want to use a fan, then you can use fan mode. Fourth mode is heat mode. If you have both hot and cool AC, then heat mode will work. You can use heat mode in very cold. This will slowly start heating your room. Fifth mode is auto mode. In auto mode, your AC start working in auto. In this mode, you cannot set the temperature. AC set temperature on its own. Next button is sleep button. If our AC making sound while sleeping at night, then you can use sleep button. This make you silent and your AC will work smooth. Next button is display button. If your AC display light is on while sleeping at night and it both ring, then you can turn off the AC display light with the display button. Next button is timer button. With the timer button, we can turn off the according to the time. Very easy to use timer button. As soon as you press the timer button, the timer will be set automatically and time will be turned on. It depends on you how many hours of time you set. Next button for fan speed. You can use fan speed button for the speed of the air coming from the AC. Fan speed button has 4 speed: low, medium, high and automatic. Next button is ionizer. By pressing the button of there are bacteria in our room, it clean it. Next button, clean plasma. Filter is mesh in your AC. It get closed due to dust for time to time, due to which Cl show in our AC. Next button is fresh air. If you use smelling dirty in the room, then open the door your room and run the AC for 5 minutes and turn on the fresh air. In 5 minutes fresh air will start coming in your room and there will be no smelling. Next button is turbo button. You can use this button for fast cooling. If you are coming for outside and you want to cool your room quickly, then you can use the turbo button. Hope you like this video of mine. Then please like my video.